Good morning, this is Mayor Pat with my weekly update. I'd like to make you aware of several meetings that will be taking place in the near term. First of all, we will have this Thursday, March the 19th at the Highlands Community Building, the workshop followed by a town board meeting. The workshop will begin at 6 and the town board meeting will begin at 7. At the workshop, our police chief wants us to cover two items. One would be modifying the noise ordinance. She thinks there's some places where we can improve that ordinance by modifying certain parts of it. Then we also will hear a concern from the police about construction work in the town, especially in residential areas where workers are parking vehicles in the roadway. In some cases, it's almost impossible for traffic to pass at these areas. And the police think it's time that we address this problem. Then at the town board meeting, we will have a public hearing concerning the rezoning of a piece of property on North Carolina 106. We'll also be looking at a number of agreements and contracts and other items on the agenda. If you can't join us at the workshop and the town board meeting, you can always access that at our town website using the YouTube app. Then also at our town budget retreat this past week, we had a discussion about increasing the fire tax for the Highlands Fire District. That includes residents in the town and also the residents in the county and the township. The next step will be to have a public meeting to solicit feedback concerning this proposed increase and to explain the need for the increase. This meeting will be held on Tuesday, March the 31st at the Highlands Community Center. It will begin at 5:30 and go till 6:30. It is a type of walk-in meeting where residents can come in. We will have our fire chief and town and county officials there to answer any questions that residents may have. They also will be taking note of the response of the residents concerning this proposed increase. So I encourage you to make plans to come to that public meeting. And again, that's going to be on March the 31st at the community building beginning at 5:30 and going to 6:30. And come and learn about the proposed fire tax, the need for that, and to provide your response and input to the proposal. I hope that you have a wonderful week as we enter the beautiful spring season here on the Highlands Plateau. And as always, I will continue to be your mayor on duty.